Hi, I'm Baptiste from Azumuta, and today I will be showing you some small tweaks that we made to the user interface of Azumuta to make your life easier creating the work instructions. So this video will be short, but it's a very important one and it's a very easy one that will make your life a lot easier. So let's dive into the changes. So if I have my empty work instruction here, I can start creating the instruction by just clicking Add Instruction Step. I can type my work instruction step like this, and now instead of clicking the Add Instruction Step button again, I can just hit Return and I can type my second instruction line like this, and I can add a third one like this. Now, if I want to move up again, because I forgot something in step 1, for example, I can just hit Shift Tab to move up and just Tab to move down. So I can really very easily switch between the lines that I'm editing. And I can say, I forgot something here, like this. I can also use the arrows to navigate between steps. I can do this by hitting Escape and then just hitting the arrows to move up and down. I can use this, for example, if I want to delete a line. I can be in this mode, so in navigation mode, and I can hit Delete. This will automatically ask me to remove the step, and I can hit Return to remove it. If I want to be in edit mode again, I click Ctrl U and I'm in edit mode again. I can say this is a new third line like this. Okay. Now, if I want to go in the details of a work instruction, I can just hit the right arrow like this, and this will open the details of the instruction step. I can hit Escape to go back, up to go to the second one, right to go to the next one, like this. That's it basically. That's how easy it is to create instructions with the new editing mode. Hope you try it out and give it a shot. Give them some feedback about how you think we can even improve it still. And if you want to know the shortcuts, here there is a button Shortcuts and all the descriptions are here. So you can try to learn them and have a play around with it. Of course, everything else keeps on working. You can also now click immediately on the place you want to put your cursor, and it will also work as it used to. So yeah, give it a shot and let us know what you think. See you in the next video. Bye bye.